And welcome back. My name is Samer. I'm the CEO of Simutech Multimedia, and today I want to talk about the perception of manufacturing and where it's going and how that fits in terms of recruiting new talent. So, perception had, and maybe still does to some extent, the perception that it's a dirty job, and maybe that's why some of the millennials and Gen Zers are not joining the workforce. But the truth is, it is not the case, and that is softening up a little bit because we see now in schools and community colleges people are talking about manufacturing and talking about how automation is joining the factory floor and how it's becoming more of a computer-driven workforce than more so than a hands-on, getting your hands dirty kind of job. That's good. That's helping attract some people, but also turning off some people because the avalanche of technology means we now have another skills gap. How do I deal with all this new equipment? How do I deal with automation? How do I deal with reading ladder logic on a PLC? I've never seen that before. And so you need to find some ways to bridging that technology gap now. And automation and PLCs can all be trained using simulation software. So for example, our software has programs to teach you how to deal with a PLC, how to troubleshoot it, how to fix it, how to read ladder logic, etc. Please go to our website, take a look at some of our programs and see how it can help bridge that technological skills gap and how you can help recruit new staff but also retain some of the existing staff who is facing a technology avalanche.